Okay, our group will answer question number 8, in which the question is fx equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 over x minus 1 in the bracket to the power of 2. To sketch the graph, firstly we have to find the vertical asymptote by using one-sided limits of f at 1, and we find that when limit x approaching 1 from left, it's equal to negative infinity, while limit x approaching 1 positive, we have positive infinity, and so that the vertical asymptote is x equal to 1. While the horizontal asymptote, we also have to find the horizontal asymptote so that we can sketch the graph. We use limit x approaching positive infinity, and we get negative 2. We get 2, and we also test limit x approaching negative infinity, and we get 2. So that we conclude that horizontal asymptote is equal to 2. Alright, another step is we have to find the critical point by using first derivative, and we let u equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 and v equal to x minus 1 in the bracket to the power of 2, and we use the quotient rule, vu prime minus uv prime over v squared, and through this method we get f prime x equal to negative 2x plus 2 over x minus 1 to the power of 4, so that we can test to find the critical point by using fx does not exist or fx equal to 0, and we find x equal to 1 for the critical point. And the behavior of f prime is increasing in the interval of negative infinity to 1, and it's decreasing in the interval of 1 to infinity. And then we have to find the concavity of the graph by using second derivative, in which we also use quotient rule to find the f double prime x, and through this method we find f double prime x is equal to negative 2 in the bracket negative 3x minus 3 over x minus 1 to the power of 3, and the behavior of f double prime x is concave upward in the interval negative infinity to 1, and it's concave outward also in the interval 1 to infinity. The next step is we have to find the y-intercept by taking x equal to 0 and substitute x equal to 0, and we find that y equal to 5, and that is the last step. After that we have to sketch the graph. This is the graph for the function 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 over x minus 1 to the power of 2. This is the vertical asymptote, and this is the y horizontal asymptote, and it's concave upward and it's increasing, thus y equal to 5.